Welcome to Infinity Tech. Take a moment and imagine standing at the edge of the open sea, where the horizon seems endless. Every engineering marvel begins long before the first piece of steel touches the sea. Beneath the waves lies the hidden foundation that will determine every decision to come. Only after revealing the Earth beneath the sea can engineers begin designing a structure capable of surviving generations. The ocean is a relentless partner, demanding that every force of nature be measured and respected. Absolute precision on land ensures perfect alignment across kilometers of open water.
The fledglings in Sector 4 seem healthy.
Confirmed. The water quality data is stable despite the dredging nearby.
With every measurement confirmed, one of the world's most ambitious ocean crossings is finally ready to move from planning into reality. With the surveys complete, thousands of people and countless machines begin transforming the coastline into a gateway for construction.
Before the bridge can rise above the sea, every machine must first reach the shoreline safely and efficiently.
All right, lower slowly. 5 more centimeters. And hold it right there. Perfect alignment, set the pins.
Every delivery must arrive with perfect timing, because the rhythm of construction never waits. Behind every great engineering achievement stands an entire community dedicated to keeping the project moving forward. Only after every machine is carefully assembled can the true scale of the project begin to unfold. On open water, even the construction site itself must first be built before permanent work can begin. With the entire construction network in place, the project is finally ready to break through the seabed and lay the foundations of an engineering masterpiece.
The starboard leg is fully engaged.
Confirmed. Pressure is stabilizing.
Each meter drilled reveals new geological challenges hidden beneath thousands of years of sediment. Only solid bedrock can support the immense weight of a bridge designed to endure for generations. Steel casings protect every foundation shaft, ensuring stability before permanent concrete is placed. Beyond the bridge itself, entire islands must emerge from the sea to support the impossible tunnel. Every anchor transfers the bridge's tremendous forces safely into the strongest layers of the Earth. Even the smallest trace of loose material must be removed before permanent foundations can begin.
The alignment is perfect. Tell the barge to proceed.
Roger that. Barge, you are clear to move in.
Hidden beneath the sea, steel begins forming the invisible skeleton that will support millions of tons above.
A difference of only millimeters today determines the strength of the bridge for decades to come. Every concrete pour must begin from the bottom upward, protecting the foundation from seawater contamination. This continuous pour creates a single solid foundation capable of resisting the immense forces of the open sea. Efficiency at this scale depends on recovering and reusing every valuable construction resource.
Dozens of foundations rise together, each one carrying a critical part of the bridge above.
Every foundation is tested before construction can safely move upward toward the surface. With the hidden foundations secured beneath the seabed, the bridge is finally ready to rise above the ocean.
All right, team, slow ascent. Watch the alignment on the east side.
The flow rate looks good, but the temperature is climbing.
All right, keep the vibrator moving and watch that pressure gauge.
Strength is created not only by the materials themselves, but by the precision of every construction step.
Proper curing ensures the concrete will achieve the strength required to support one of the world's largest bridges.
With each completed foundation cap, the bridge rises another step closer to the surface. The first permanent elements of the bridge now stand firmly above the ocean, ready to support towering structures. The hidden foundations are complete. Now, the bridge will begin its climb toward the sky.
Left side, pull tighter.
Easy now, easy.
Almost there, lower 5 centimeters.
Specialized climbing formwork allows the tower to grow higher, one precisely engineered section at a time. Each lift transforms liquid concrete into the towering backbone of the bridge. With every climb, the structure grows taller, stronger, and closer to spanning the sea. Progress accelerates as multiple towers rise together, each built with the same unwavering precision. From this height, every measurement shapes the strength and safety of the entire bridge. With the towers standing firm above the sea, the bridge is ready for its most iconic stage, the installation of the main suspension system. Before enormous suspension cables can be built, a single lightweight line must first connect both towers. That first connection quickly grows into a pathway capable of supporting the bridge's most critical engineering operation. Suspended high above the sea, these temporary walkways become the workplace for one of the most demanding construction stages.
The main cable is not lifted into place. It is built one wire at a time. Thousands of individual strands now act together as one extraordinarily strong structural element. Protection against saltwater corrosion ensures these cables will endure for generations. These vertical suspenders will soon transfer the weight of the entire bridge deck into the main cables above.
With the suspension system complete, the bridge is finally ready to receive the roadway that will connect two shores.
The roadway begins its journey, one carefully engineered segment at a time. Even a movement of a few millimeters can determine the success of a lift weighing thousands of tons.
The first segment transforms an empty span into the beginning of a bridge. With every new section installed, two distant shorelines move closer together.
Strength is created not only by steel itself, but by every connection that binds it together.
We have contact. Load stabilization is green.
All right, crew, secure the bolts. We did it.
The steel skeleton now begins its transformation into a functioning transportation corridor.
With the roadway complete and
Before the first vehicle crosses, the bridge must learn to monitor its own structural health.
The thermal gradient is stabilizing right at the 12 millimeter mark.
Good, lock it down. We need that precision for the midday heat.
Laser readings on the main cable show minimal deflection at this frequency. Good. Let's increase the shaker amplitude by 5% and retest.
Designed flexibility, not rigidity, is what allows great bridges to survive powerful winds.
Now comes the ultimate question. Can the bridge safely carry the weight it was built to support?
Thousands of tons now rest on the bridge, exactly as its designers intended decades before construction began.
Every bolt, weld, cable, and bearing is examined one final time before the bridge welcomes the world.
Final certification complete.
Copy that. All clear on the main deck, proceeding with opening sequence.
The last details transform a construction site into a functioning transportation corridor.
Message board is active.
Confirmed on screen 3.
All systems green for the east tunnel.
Looks great. Almost done here.
Okay, let's get these last panels cleared.
Behind every great structure stand thousands of people whose dedication made the impossible achievable.
The bridge now fulfills the purpose it was designed for, bringing people, goods, and communities closer together. Bridge, tunnel, artificial islands, and control systems now function as one integrated engineering masterpiece.
And this is how one of the world's greatest bridge and tunnel systems was built, from nothing into reality.